how to make an origami swan intro. Welcome back, origami enthusiasts. Today, we're crafting a graceful swan using just a dollar bill. This elegant design is perfect for beginners and experienced folders alike. So grab your bill and let's start folding. First, fold your dollar bill in half lengthwise. This initial fold lays the foundation for our swan, so make sure to align the edges perfectly. Unfold the bill, then fold both sides inward to meet the center crease. This creates a neat strip that will form the body of our swan. Keep those folds sharp and clean. Next, flip the bill over and fold the bottom edge up. This step begins to shape the swan's form. Press down firmly to secure the fold. Repeat the same folding process with another bill and attach them together. This will give our swan a sturdy body structure. Now, fold the entire model in half, both lengthwise and widthwise. These folds add flexibility and prepare the bill for the next steps. Using the existing creases, fold the model into a triangle. This will start to give our swan its iconic shape. Next, Open up the model slightly and fold to reveal the swan's head. This step requires a bit of precision, so take your time.
Now fold the wings down on each side. These should be aligned to give the swan a balanced appearance. Finally, adjust the head and tail to your liking. Make sure they are symmetrical and elegant, just like a real swan. And there you have it, a beautiful origami swan. Great job on completing this elegant design.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more origami fun, and let me know how your swan turned out in the comments below. Keep folding, and I'll see you in the next video. This script should guide your viewers through the process while keeping them engaged.